Hi, I'm Marie Jenkins from Advance Your Wellbeing, and in today's Day 3 video we're looking at resilience. So for today's category we're looking at positivity and facing your fears. Now, are you a positive person? Are you an optimist or a pessimist by nature? Many people call it whether you're a glass half full person or a glass half empty. Your outlook on life will help you navigate your way to greater things. If you're a wow is me kind of person, you tend to attract the most positive people around you. People tend to gravitate more towards those people with the can-do attitude. So think about your levels of positivity. Facing your fears. Are you the sort of person that sticks within your comfort zone? Because you feel safe and comfortable? I'd say a lot of people do. But the point is, you have to face your fears in order for you to personally develop. So have a think about that. And if you'd like to join us for our resilience workshop on the 4th of March, then have a look in the comments below for a link to get your tickets. Thanks very much.